Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Be Topper with me. So today we will learn acids and bases. Before getting started, make sure that you are ready with your notebook and pen and keep making notes with me. So let's learn this topic together. So let's start this video with a question. What is acid? Now answer this. What is acid? Whatever you know about acid, answer me in comment section. So let's find out what is acid. What is an acid? An acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ions in water. Now acid is a substance that produces hydrogen ions, which is also known as H plus in water. An acid therefore can conduct electricity. Now this is the reason why acid can conduct electricity. So now you can also have a question in your examination that give reason that why acid can conduct electricity. So the reason will be that acid is a substance that produce hydrogen ions in water and therefore it can conduct electricity. Now the pH value of acid is less than 7. It is sour in taste. So acid has a sour taste. It doesn't have bitter taste. It doesn't have sweet taste. It has sour taste. So you can taste any of the acid like lemon juice. You tasted the lemon juice, you will see that it is sour in taste. It has stinging feeling. So what is the meaning of stinging feeling? Stinging feeling means a sudden burning pain or for burning feeling. Okay. And lastly, it is corrosive. Don't try to remember all this. Just try to understand the concept behind this. So I hope you understood this much. If you are having any doubt, ask me in comments. Now let's see some properties of an acid. Taste sour. As I explained you before, all acid has a sour taste. Conduct electricity. They conduct electricity, but the reason behind it is that they produce hydrogen ions in water. That is the reason why they conduct electricity. Corrosive. Now, what is the meaning of corrosive? So, corrosive means they break down certain substances. They break down. Okay. So, let's look at the example. Many acid can break down means corrode fabric, our skin and paper. Some acids react strongly with metal. So you have to keep your eye on the key points. Here the key point is some acids. So what this means that not all acids react strongly with metals, but there are some acids that react very strongly with metals. Turns blue litmus paper to red. So this is a very common one that turns blue litmus paper to red. Now let's see some examples of acids. Examples of acids: vinegar, lemon juice, soft drink, battery acid, stomach acid, apple juice, black tea, etc. So there are many more you can add in this. One thing very common in all of these is that they all has a sour taste. So now we understood what is acid, properties of acid and examples of acid. Now let's take a look at bases. Another question I have for all of you is that what is base? So whatever you are knowing about the base, answer me in comment right now so that I feel that my students are little attentive in the class, and whosoever will answer first, their name will be on my screen next time. Okay, so have you answered in comments? Now let us learn what is base. Arrhenius definition of base. So let me give you a little information about Arrhenius. Arrhenius was the first person to give us a definition of acid and bases. Okay? A base is a substance which dissolves in water to produce hydroxide ions in solution. So bases are the substance which are dissolved in water to produce hydroxide ions, which is also known as OH minus ions in solution. So when acid is dissolved in water, it produces hydrogen ions, and when is dissolved in water, it gives hydroxide ions. Okay, don't get confused between this. Make it very simple. Now let us take a look at the properties of base. Feel slippery. So bases generally feel slippery. So let us understand this with an example. So let's take an example of base as a soap. So whenever you touch soap, it feels slippery, right? So that is it, nothing else. Taste bitter. Like the acid have sour taste, the bases have bitter taste. So they are also corrosive in nature like the acids. So make sure that you are making notes with me so that you can write the meaning of corrosive and small things. Can conduct electricity. Now the bases can also conduct electricity like the acids can. Do not react with metals. So now some acids react with metals and bases do not react with metals. Turns red litmus paper to blue. Acid turn blue litmus paper to red and bases turn red litmus paper to blue. So now let's see some examples of the bases. Examples of bases: detergent, baking soda, drain cleaner, ammonia, soap, antacid, and many more. Okay, so that was it for today's video. I hope all of us has understood this topic of acid and base very nicely. If you're having any doubts, you can ask me in comments anytime. The topic of acid and base is also included in 10th class. So make sure that you understand this very nicely and clear all your doubts. Make sure to solve as much as possible MCQs of this chapter. So my dear friends, this was it for this video. Please like, share and comment if you have understood this topic very well, and do subscribe my channel for more related videos. Till then, bye, stay safe.